Welcome to No Coupons Needed product demonstration, and this is my Panasonic electronic typewriter R440. It's a oldie but a goodie. Come check it out. Now, it needs ink, but I do want to show you its features and that it is working. It has like 3 type of modes. It has a mode where you can type and see it in the screen, maybe do some spell check. That's this AccuSpell Plus added on. And it has another mode where it also does something like that. Oh, sorry. Well, let me show you that the screen does work. So I put the man and the moon. And that's basically because I have the spell check.